my office, I'm planning to install Ubiton. I think it's the version of AA18. So let's have a look at this version. I have to shut down my computer to change the video card so that it loads up. Is this one here? This one, Ubiton 22.04. So I shut down the computer. Wait a minute. I'll be back. It's not quickly shutting down. I wonder why. Oh, yes it is. There it is. It's shut down now. So I gotta change the video, the HDMI to this one here. Uses Raiden. It's this version here. Raiden. It uses Crossfire for one video card, and this is the Gigabyte GeForce GTX. So I gotta change this one in here. Now turn the computer on. I can't update the BIOS. Now these two Crossfire loads as well. So I have to wait until this loads. It doesn't load that one. I wonder why. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, installing to E. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, how about this one then? E, I better check. E, yep. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. I'll try another one.